Good morning, kids. We're still in lesson 5, and today we have spelling word sort, and we're going over different spellings for the vowel sound ow, the vowel sound ah, and the vowel sound oi. In the first row here, you can see that we have the vowel sound ow spelled O-U or O-W. An example of O-U would be O-U-N-C-E, ounce, ow, ounce, O-U-N-C-E. An example of ow spelled O-W would be the word scowl, S-C-O-W-L, scowl. In the second row here, we have ah spelled A-W, A-U, or A. And an example of A-W would be the word sprawl, S-P-R-A-W-L. Okay, and an example of A-U would be launch, L-A-U-N-C-H. An example of the ah sound with just an A would be the ah in ball, basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T-B-A-L-L, basketball. I'm going to go ahead and erase that basketball that I wrote there because it's going to cover up part of your words, but you can add it into your own. I want to really point this row out to you because in our teacher guide, it says other spellings for ah. Okay, and that means spellings that we haven't already gone through up here. And in our teacher's guide, it has the word naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. However, that's A-U, which is also part of that table there. So we're going to go ahead and skip this one. Even though in our teacher's guide it says naughty is a different spelling, it's still A-U, which fits in row 2. So I just didn't want there to be any confusion about that. And you can go ahead and just put an X through that row if you'd like, or just leave it blank. We'll go down to the last row, and it's oi, spelled O-Y or O-I. An example of O-Y would be the word loyal, L-O-Y-A-L. And an example of O-I would be moist, M-O-I-S-T, M-O-I-S-T. I'd like you to make sure you please go through and sort the rest of the words, including the challenge, into your word sort. And you can pause the video here before we move on. Here we just have proofreading for spelling, which we do every single week, so you guys already know how to do this. What you're going to do is review your spelling word list, and you're going to go through, read the paragraph, and make sure that you find any of your spelling words that are misspelled. I want you to make sure you circle them and then write them spelled correctly on the line. When you've finished, make sure you turn in your work. Thank you.